Hello everyone, and welcome to the paper number 2 explained video. Here's our home page, as I hope many of you are familiar with up to this point in the semester. To access the assignment that we're going to be doing today, paper number 2, we'll begin by clicking on week 3. After we click on week 3, this is what you will see. The second item on our agenda explains that you need to watch the paper 2 explained video, which is what this is, and that comes after reading the assignment sheet for paper number 2. To access the assignment sheet, please click on week 3. And here's our table of contents. We want to read the assignment sheet for paper number 2. And that is right here. Assignment sheet for paper number 2. So to blow this up, to make it larger, again click on the button that's on the lower right hand corner of the screen here. And this is the assignment sheet for paper number 2. So we'll just go through this together and I will try to explain it while kind of summarizing the objective of this paper, the purpose of this paper. So in our first paper, we were really exploring the beauty of reflective writing. You all have written a creative autobiography. However, now we are going to start our transition into the academic essay portion of our semester. So that is what paper number 2 is going to focus on. As you can see, paper number 2 has 2 parts listed here in the name: the creative autobiography and the analysis. The creative autobiography that you're going to be doing for this paper is merely going to be another revision of paper number 1. After you rewrite paper number 1, learning more about creative writing as we go, you are then going to analyze the analysis part here. You're going to analyze the choices that you made in your revision. So the first bit of this paper explains, just gives background about the assignment. And I would like to read this part to you. So in this assignment, you will revise your creative autobiographical piece. In addition to this, you will write a 2-page analysis that explains why you chose certain elements while writing part 1. The paragraphs in this part will each have a guiding topic sentence, but the paragraphs don't necessarily need to be linked or flow into each other. This section will follow grammar rules, especially sentence structure. So unlike paper number 1, where we weren't confined to the traditional paragraph structure, the second part of paper number 2, the analysis, does need to follow the traditional essay format with paragraph structure. Continuing down our assignment sheet, you'll see here that I'm asking for another 350 words of creative autobiography where your changes have been highlighted. Don't be overwhelmed by this. You can reuse the same paper number 1 that you have already written. You're just, again, revising those changes and highlighting those for paper number 2. Then, after you do that, you are going to write me a 1.5 to 2-page analysis explaining your creative choices while writing the autobiography. So, you are going to be, I'm sorry, we aren't in class, I'll take that off of this sheet. You are going to be submitting it via Blackboard. Again, here is some formatting instructions. I need your name in the upper left-hand corner of the first page, followed by my name, the name of the course and section number, and the date. And then we have our running header, which consists of your last name and the page number. We need a centered title for this paper. And if you have any questions about how to format the paper, there's a nice example on page 133 in the Little Seagull Handbook. that illustrates how it should be formatted. Then we go into the different steps and due dates that are required for generating paper number 2. This is basically a written out version of the same format that you find on Blackboard. So there is nothing new here that isn't on what you see when you click on week 3 here. I tried to do a good job about presenting information in different ways, so everything that is here is also listed here. The only difference is that some of this information will also flow into week 4. So, more detail about how to create the assignment. If you guys have any questions, please send me an email. I look forward to hearing how your papers are going and to looking at your rough drafts in the future. Thanks so much, guys.